This morning, we want to take a closer look at where vaccine distribution stands and which segments of our community the vaccine is going to in these early stages. Rob is looking at the data for us this morning, and Rob is more clear actually in Indiana than Kentucky.
Yeah, that's right, Kristen. So we pull health data from each state every day to keep our database complete. And the information from Indiana State Health Department is a lot more comprehensive. So we can get a daily picture of who the vaccine's going to and then break it down in a lot of interesting ways. This morning, we're taking a look at the breakdown of vaccines by age group in Indiana. So this graph you're looking at shows the percentage of each age group who have gotten their first dose of the vaccine. You can see that the 70 to 79 age group has the highest number of people who have received that first dose, about 32% of the total number of people vaccinated in the state. The 80 plus group is the second highest, and then the 60 to 69 age group comes after that. Now, this lines up with the vaccine distribution plan that Indiana put out late last year, with healthcare workers being in that first 1A priority group, and now phase 1B, which they call the protecting the vulnerable group, and that focuses on those who have the highest risk of severe COVID cases. We know the older people fall in that group. Now again, the state of Kentucky doesn't exactly give out as much data as Indiana, so we can't show you the same date breakdown by age group in Kentucky, but we can show you a slightly different approach with the teachers going first in Kentucky, so we would expect those to be different. What we can show you is how much of the vaccine has been distributed versus how much the state has received. And as you can see, the state's received about 100,000 more doses than were distributed. About 81% of the vaccines sent to Kentucky have been given out as of yesterday. Now, also yesterday, Governor Beshear announced that the federal government is increasing Kentucky's vaccine supply next week by about 6%. So that'll be 28% more than what the state got 3 weeks ago. ABC News is reporting that about 10% of Americans have received a COVID vaccine, and the Biden administration says it's ramping up distribution this week to get that number higher, with an extra 1 million vaccines expected to be shipped this week. Daniel?